Hello and welcome to Podki Talkie YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore the dark and mysterious world of Gothic writing. If you've ever been fascinated by the macabre, haunted castles, and the supernatural, then this video is for you. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, we'll be discussing everything you need to know to become a talented Gothic writer. So, the first question you may ask in your mind about Gothic writing: what is Gothic writing? This is the main question. Gothic writing is a genre of literature that originated in the late 18th century. It's characterized by elements of terror, suspense, and the supernatural. Gothic writers often explore themes such as death, decay, and the haunted. Some of the most famous Gothic writers include Edgar Allan Poe, Mary Shelley, and Bram Stoker. Now, the next question going to be how to gain the talent of Gothic writing. Becoming a Gothic writer requires a combination of natural talent, hard work, and inspiration. Here are a few tips to help you gain the talent of Gothic writing. First, read Gothic literature. To become a Gothic writer, you need to know the genre inside and out. So, start by reading the classic Gothic novels and short stories. This will give you a feel for the style, tone, and the themes that are associated with the genre. Second, study the elements of Gothic writing. Pay attention to the elements that make Gothic writing so captivating: suspense, horror, and the supernatural. Try to incorporate these elements into your own writing. Third, cultivate your own voice. While it's important to be familiar with the genre, it's also important to develop your own unique voice. Let your imagination run wild and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and techniques. Fourth, write, write, write. The key to becoming a talented writer is to write as often as you can. Set aside time each day to write, even if it's just for a few minutes. The more you write, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. So, what to read for inspiration? If you're looking for inspiration for your Gothic writing, here are a few books that you should definitely check out. First one, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, Dracula by Bram Stoker, The Fall of the House of Usher by Edgar Allan Poe. The fourth one, Wuthering Heights by Emily Bront. And the last is, it's not the last, but I suggest you to read The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. Now you may ask in your mind a very interesting question. How long will it take to be a creative Gothic writer? There is no set timeline for becoming a creative Gothic writer. It all depends on your natural talent, dedication, and the amount of effort you put into your writing. Some people may become proficient writers in just a few months, while others may take years to hone their craft. The important thing is to be patient and persistent and to keep writing no matter what. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to becoming a Gothic writer. Remember, the key to success is to read, write, and never stop learning. If you have a passion for the macabre and the supernatural, then there is no reason why you can't become a talented Gothic writer. Thank you for watching our podcast of the YouTube channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.